let's start here. So my conversation with this cat starts out as, man, I got one of your boxes. I'm like, oh yeah? And he goes, yeah, it just quit on me. And I'm thinking, is this one that I just recently sold? What's the story? And he goes, oh man, I don't know. I was just running it and then it just quit. I don't understand what I did. And he goes, all I know is I was running it and then I could smell the smoke. And I said, oh shit. I said, well, how long you had it? And he goes, oh, over 2 years. I was like, oh. I said, well, when you send me this box, make sure to package it and label it as warranty work. That way I'll look at it in a year. And he did, and I got to looking at it, and pretty simple fix. Now, we're standing here, we're looking at this together, and he said the key magic words. I was running it, and then I could smell the smoke. They did their job. They did their job. They did it better than the 2-watt resistor ever could dream of doing it, because they're 3 times the size and it produced 3 times the amount of smoke. Smoky smoke, smoky smoke. So we've obviously got an output resistor that's gone up in flames, input resistor that's also gone up in flames. And if we look real close down in here, like right about there, we'll see that there is a resistor that is scorched, flambéed, exploded. You also let the 10 ohm magic out. 10 ohm magic smoke was released. Poured forth into the universe only to be inhaled over on the islands. Well, Mr. M, it is your time to turn and burn, my man. Now, with these HG transistors, you, me, everybody else involved, we all understand what the deal is. It might only be that this one pill is bad, but we're going to change both of them. Err on the side of caution, push-pull. These Chinesium transistors are, well, they're what we have. Okay, and they're way cheaper than the Toshibas, which I think I'm pretty much the only one that's got them left in any quantity. I could be wrong. There might be a guy out there that's got 90 flats of Toshibas sitting inside of a dry van down in like Arizona or something. I don't know. I'm the only one I know of that's got any of these left in quantity that are new. So since I refuse to use them on new builds that haven't already been previously purchased for a new build, and I'm trying to desperately hold on to them for repairs. We're going to put HGs back in here. You said you were fine with that. So to do this process, we're going to pull this off, disconnect our bias circuit, lay it up here, go in, pull our scorched 10 ohm resistor out, clean the board, make it look pretty again, remove this resistor, pull out this transistor, clean the pill pockets, reinsert the transistors, solder them back down, reattach our 100 ohm flybacks, lay our bias back down, and then we'll test run it. So give me just a hot New York minute to do parts of those processes, and I'll jump you back in here somewhere along the line. I got to working, you guys, and I just wanted to get this done, and I'm sorry, I totally forgot to grab the camera. Okay, so we're on 12 volts. We're 1,000 watt slug and peak, 1,000 an average, 5 watt slug and reverse back from the bird, 10,000 watt dummy load. So we know this amp is working, or was working, and we don't have to really prove the input tune or nothing because we didn't change any of that circuitry. Let's, well, obviously know the amp's working now. Hello, audio. 10-15 watts of drive into it because we're on 12 volts. Audio. Make about 600 watts peak. Let's go ahead and let's turn these power supplies up, make this thing chooch! Chooch for the chotch and chotch for the choot chooch. 12, 14. Commune. There we go, 15. Yay! Okay. Hello, audio 1 2 1 2. So we're back to full output. And really all it took was a couple transistors, a couple transistors and 3 resistors, and a little bit of time pretending I'm a delicate surgeon. Well, that's it. That's all there is to it. I got nothing more to film, nothing more to talk about, nothing more to say, nothing more to do. Put the lid on it, make sure the fan works. I'm going to turn around and send it back over to my buddy, Mr. M, over in Hawaii. Gentlemen, short, quick, and to the point video. I'll see you. Click, click.